Hello Year 3. Today we are learning how to do subtraction using the column method. Let's find out how we can work out 96 minus 24. First of all, we make sure we line up our ones in the ones column and the tens in the 10 column. Subtract the ones first of all, and then subtract the tens. 9 tens minus 2 tens is 7 tens. Using that method, we're going to have a go at these ones. I'll do the first one. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 6 tens minus 2 tens is 4 tens. Pause the video now and have a go at the other questions. And I'll come back to you when you've got to question 5. So question 5, we can do it exactly the same way. 7 ones minus 3 ones is 4. 9 tens minus 1 10 is 8 tens. And then I've got 100 minus no hundreds. Let's look at this one now. 62 minus 18. What do you notice about this one? Let's have a look at it when we've laid it out in the column method. The first thing we notice is that we can't take 8 away from 2. There aren't enough of the ones to take away. So we need more ones, and we can get those by exchanging one of the tens. So now we've got 12 tens, and in order to show what we're doing, we write it like this. So we've now got 5 tens, and one of those tens has moved into the ones column. So we've got 1 10 plus 2, which is 12. And then we can do our calculation. 12 subtract 8 is 4. And 5 tens subtract 1 10 is 4 tens. Let's do the first one together. I'm looking at this and I can see that I cannot subtract 7 ones from 3 ones. So I'm going to have to exchange. So I'll take one of those 9 tens that we've got, and that leaves me with 8. And there's the other 10. So now I've got 13 subtract 7. And 8 tens subtract 2 tens, which is 66. Pause the video, have a go at the next ones. If you're confident, you can do question 4 as well. I'll come back to you when you've done them. So, looking at question 4. Still looking at the ones, we can't subtract 7 from 4. So we have to make sure that we exchange. I'm going to exchange the tens. And 14 take away 7. If you know your times tables, you know that 2 sevens make 14, so I've got 7 left. 5 tens take away 1 10. And 7 hundreds take away no hundreds, leaves me with 7 hundreds. This one is a little bit different. Look closely, you can see that we can take 2 ones away from 7 ones. But we might have to do something different with the rest of the calculation. So 7 take away 2 is 5. Here I want to take 6 tens away from 3 tens. I can't do that, so I need to exchange. I can exchange from the hundreds. I can exchange 100 for 10 tens. And I show it like this. I've taken one of the hundreds, so now I've only got 4 hundreds. And I've got 10 of the tens. So 10 plus 3 is 13. And 13 tens take away 6 tens is 7. 7 tens. Now I've got 4 hundreds take away no hundreds. So that leaves me with a total of 475. Let's have a quick look at this one. Looking at the ones, I see I need to exchange because I've got more ones on the bottom than I have on the top. So I've exchanged one of the tens, and then 14, take away 5 is 9. And now I need to exchange again because I've got more tens on the bottom than I have on the top. So I will take one of the hundreds. And this is how we show it. We have to show the 10 tens next to the 4 tens. And we've got 14 take away 6. And 700 take away 400. So have a go at the problems on my maths. Come back to this video if you need any more help. Good luck.